Blizzard 2010, take 2. This is the tree in front of the house. We are again getting slammed. This was the pathway that was cleared out. Here is my car, which you can barely see because of the mound of snow from blowing it before. So we are getting hammered once again. Let's see. I would say there's probably close to more than 6 inches on the ground again. We'll do the back here in a second. I want to show you the height of the snow over here. These are the steps trying to go down. It would not surprise me if we lose power because of all the snow on the electric lines. It'll be cold here if that happens. Alright, here we are out back. Take a look at the icicles. Hanging off the house. Have to knock those out. There's how much snow is piled up out back here. Take a look at the trampoline. Here's the killer. Look at the rabbit house. And it's still snowing.